Really fine place, Jake.
Ah, bonsoir, monsieur. Is it Harry? Oh,
Just the way.
oh, young Harry.
This place looks wonderful. It looks just the same. The same dirty, smelly. It's the same wonderful place.
Excuse me. This new abomination.
No. Leave it. Why do you let him change it out there? Who gave him the right to spoil it like that?
Oh, here we don't change. We have no business, but no change. Oh, look. See, the same.
That's because it's preserved in a bottle. You know, Emile, that might be a pretty good idea for us, too.
Formerly, when you came here, you were not bitter.
Formerly, when I came here. You know, there was one night when I came here. You're right, Emile. You look behind you and what do you see? Only a backside. We must think of the future. I have been left a legacy.
Il a fait un héritage.
Quel miracle! Oh, Harry, je t'adore.
Yeah, je t'adore you too, Jake. It is a riddle. Kilimanjaro is a snow-covered mountain, 19,710 feet high. And is said to be the highest mountain in Africa. Close to the western summit, there is the dried and frozen carcass of a leopard.
In all that snow?
So they would have us believe.
Enfin, qu'est-ce qu'elle t'aimait? Some lousy cat got cold feet. Ce type est complètement cru.
Mais tu n'as qu'à le
No,
regarder.
wait a minute. Here comes the kicker. No one has explained what the leopard was seeking at that altitude.
Is that all?
It's an unsatisfactory story. It ends badly.
But what was the leopard doing up there in the first place?
That's the riddle. And if I can find the answer, I'm supposed to win a prize. Come on, let's put our fine minds together, Jake.
Perhaps he took the wrong trail and followed the wrong scent. And so he got lost and died.
That's a very sensible solution, Emile. For him. And for me.
Please.
You?
May I?
Sin?
Thank you. Am I mistaken? Aren't you Mr. Harry Street, the author whom I met in the Place Vendôme?
Yes, I'm Mr. Harry Street. And I'm lost. You... How very beautiful you are. Excuse me, my dear Cynthia. But tonight, I'm a little worse from many years of wear and tear.
You need rest, Mr. Street.
Yes, I need rest, Mr. Street. I need a lot of things, Mr. Street. I need you.
Would you like a drink?
What did you say?
Well, I'm going to have one. Why don't we have one together? Ask Molo. You know I don't speak the lingo.
Molo.
Indio buona?
Latte, whiskey soda.
Indio buona?
About which one have you been thinking, Harry?
What do you mean about which one?
About Cynthia or about Liz?
What makes you think you know so much? Maybe I was thinking about you and me.
No, never about you and me. At least not with any honesty.
Well, that just shows you how wrong you can be. I was thinking about the way we met. On the bridge near Notre Dame.
When you mistook me for your Cynthia? You've never been able to forgive me for not being her, have you?
You really want to go into that one?
What else did you think about you and me, Harry?
Oh. That we had a Lulu of the beginning. It's really a Lulu.
Yes, we had that, all right.
Well, neither of us were children. We both knew what we were getting.
Why did you suddenly want to come here? You owe me the courtesy of being honest.
All right. I'll be honest. Because why I wanted to come here is the point of the whole buddy joke. Because I'd found the answer to a riddle. That's why. About a leopard who'd lost his way. And I thought that if I had followed the wrong scent and was going to perish, then I'd better get back to the jungle from where I'd started. It had been good here. I had been right here. And I thought I could get back to it that way. Back into training. Work the fat off my soul. The way a fighter goes into the mountains to work the fat off his body. I might have made it, too. 2 weeks ago, that thorn had needled me. That foul smell crosses here every night. Every night for 2 weeks.
He's the one who makes all the noise at night. I don't mind him too much.
You know what that bad breath just said to me?
The hyena?
That it's getting very late for me.
Aren't you funny?
A lousy timepiece.
Really, darling, aren't you Harry. What is it?
Huh? It's nothing.
How do you feel?
All right. A little wobbly.
Can you eat something now?
No,
A little broth will keep your strength up.
I don't need my strength up. Don't tell me you don't know. Well, I've known everything. Except just when it would happen.
Try, darling.
Helen, I want to write.
I know.
Do you really?
I know almost all of it now. Except one very important thing which you must tell me. Harry, was it entirely because of her that it was the best time for you here?
Who?
Cynthia, whom twice you mistook me for. Was it only because you were happiest here with her?
You thought all that, why did you come along?
Why do you think?
You were always a considerate woman. You'd have bought me anything. You liked anything new and exciting. I don't know.
I more than came along, if you'll remember. I arranged with the publisher for your advance. I lied to you. I contrived it.
Why?
Because it was the only chance for you. And because it might be a chance for me. I thought that if I was here with you, and your work came well, and you were happy here again, with me here, don't make me lose all my pride.
This is the first time I've ever really seen you.
You're not a failure, darling. Just because you've disappointed yourself with some of the things you've written, that's not failure as a man. You've brought something to everyone, just as you've brought something to me.
You're quite a woman. It's a pity I'm finding it out only now.
I love you, Harry. I love you with all my heart. We've got a whole lifetime ahead of us.
You had every card in the deck stacked against you. We had the time.
There'll be plenty of time. You're going to live. You've got to live.
Plenty of time. That's what you think. That's what they all think. That's why they sit on their tails. Let's not kid ourselves. The door can open suddenly into nothing. And death has been standing there all the while. If a man hasn't done what he intended to do,